In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed YouTube videos on your website. To get started, open your site dashboard and look to the menu on the left-hand side. From there, click on Website and then choose Edit Website. This will take you into the website editor where you can make changes to the layout and content of your pages. Once you're in the editor, go to the specific page where you want your YouTube video to appear. It's a good idea to know in advance where the video should go, whether that's in the middle of a page, near the bottom, or alongside other content. That way, placing it will be much easier. Next, click the plus icon at the top left of the editor. This opens the block menu where you can add different types of content to your page. From here, scroll all the way to the bottom until you reach the Advanced Blocks section. In that section, find the HTML block. Now drag and drop the HTML block into the exact spot where you want the video to be embedded. Try to place it carefully so the video appears naturally within the rest of your page design. After placing the block, click on the HTML block itself. On the pane that appears on the right, click Configure. This opens the settings for that block. Then go to the Code tab because this is where you'll paste the embed code from YouTube. At this point, switch over to your YouTube video. On the video, right-click and select Copy Embed Code. This copies the HTML code needed to display the video directly on your website. Be sure you're copying the embed code specifically, since that's what the website editor needs in order to show the video properly. Then head back to your website editor and paste that code into the code area in the HTML block. Once the code is in place, click Save. And that's it. Your YouTube video should now be embedded on your website. If needed, you can preview the page afterward to make sure the video looks good and appears exactly where you want it. If the placement doesn't feel quite right, you can always move the HTML block and save again. That's all for this video. Now you know how to embed a YouTube video on your website quickly and easily.